Hello everyone and welcome to Rad Art Studio. My channel is about the magic of watercolor. I hope here you can find inspiration and discover how to be bold and brave when painting in a free, loose style. If you enjoy watching these videos, I would really appreciate it if you would like, subscribe and comment. In this video, I want to show you how I created a frosty looking poinsettia. The Christmas starflower is a very popular subject, but here I've tried a somewhat different approach. Poinsettias are usually bright red in color, but I was captivated by the pinks and greens of this more unusual looking plant. I've used the Dusk Gogh Watercolors for a more muted palette and have combined them with some brighter pinks and greens. So for the big pink leaves, I start by applying water to the surface. Then I add some dusk yellow and a little bit of yellow ochre. The dusk yellow paint creates a really nice granulation effect on the surface of the paper. While wet, I apply bright pink, which blends in nicely with the dusk yellow. Then I sprinkle some salt on the surface. I use a thin rigger brush to draw the vein of the leaf. This poinsettia has two distinctive petals, which are different. They are divided into segments and each one is painted individually and left to dry. Here there's a lot more detail and they contrast well with the rest, which are more abstract. I rarely apply different layers of paint and I prefer to blend in the colors directly using wet on wet technique. I wanted the flower buds to be quite realistic, so here I use a small brush size 0 to paint the spherical shapes by blending dark and light green. I sometimes use a magnifying glass to help me render the details better. For the green foliage below the pink leaves, I apply some dusk green together with some Prussian blue to the shaded parts and some lighter green to the edges. The granulation effect combined with the salt creates some really interesting results. To add more depth and make the central bud stand out, I blend in dark green together with more intense Prussian blue. And here's the final result. So that is how I've painted this frosty poinsettia. If you want to see more of my work, please visit my website. The link is in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to try out some of the watercolor techniques I use. Thank you for watching.